Replacing your refrigerator water filter can be a hassle, but it doesn't have to be. Introducing Tier1, the effective, simple, and easy-to-use solution for your refrigerator water filtration needs. Tier1 filters are conveniently offered in multi-packs, which help reduce trips to the store when that annoying light in the refrigerator begins to blink. Tier1 filters will significantly reduce contaminants like chlorine, dirt, and sediment before they make it into your glass. Tier1 is environmentally friendly, using renewable coconut carbon to ensure you're doing your part to keep our planet healthy. Tier1 refrigerator filters are certified ANSI NSF 42 standards to make sure we're doing our part to keep you healthy. Our filters are inspected and tested in several stages of the manufacturing process to ensure that we deliver the best product every time. Tier1, a healthy home starts here. Try Tier1 today.